Today we're making a classic beef and broccoli stir-fry, one of the easiest dinners you can cook at home. We start by slicing the beef into thin strips. This is the base for a juicy and budget-friendly stir-fry. Then we place the beef in a bowl and marinate it with soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, black pepper, cornstarch, a little baking soda, and a splash of water. Mix everything well until the beef drinks up all the liquid. Once it's fully absorbed, finish it off with a little sesame oil. Always add the oil at the end, not before. Let the beef rest for 20 minutes, just enough time to prepare the veggies. Cut the broccoli into medium florets, not too big and not too small. This size makes them cook quickly but still stay crisp and fresh. Friends, I'm really curious, where are you watching from? Write your city, your country, and if you're in the US, your state as well. I'd love to hear it. Cut the bell pepper into bite-sized squares. This way it keeps a nice crunch and blends well with the beef and broccoli. Bell pepper also adds vitamins, and it brings a beautiful color that makes the stir-fry look more appetizing. Next up, smash the garlic to release its aroma. Then mince it finely for extra flavor in the stir-fry. Add some oil into a hot pan, and let's start cooking on medium-high heat. Now add the broccoli and toss it a few times, just enough to coat it with the hot oil. Season with sugar, black pepper, and a splash of rice wine. Keep stir-frying until the liquid cooks off. Pour in a splash of water, cover with a lid, and let the broccoli steam for 1 to 2 minutes, until it softens but stays crisp. Once the time is up, remove the broccoli from the pan. Drizzle a bit more oil into the hot pan. Add the bell pepper and give it a quick toss. Season with sugar and a touch of black pepper for extra flavor. Give it a few more tosses. Stir fry for 30 seconds, then take it out of the pan. Add a little more oil to the pan if needed. Before adding the beef, start with ginger. Stir fry it quickly to release its flavor. Now it's time to add the beef. Spread it out in the pan and let it cook until the bottom turns slightly golden brown. This helps it develop flavor and stay juicy. Then stir the beef to turn it over so it cooks evenly. This step is key for a tender beef and broccoli stir-fry. It's time to add the garlic. Toss it in and fry just for a short moment to release its aroma. Now let's season with soy sauce and a splash of dark soy sauce to give the stir-fry a deeper color and taste. Keep stir-frying the beef until the red color is gone and it turns golden brown. That's the secret to tender beef in a perfect stir-fry. Next, let's make a quick cornstarch slurry. Just mix cornstarch with cold water until smooth. Pour it over the stir fry, but give it a stir first since cornstarch sinks to the bottom. This way you get a smooth sauce. Add some rice wine and give the beef a few quick tosses. It tenderizes the meat and adds a subtle flavor. Continue to cook until the sauce starts to thicken up. Then turn off the heat and add the veggies back to the pan. Mix everything together so the beef, broccoli, and veggies are coated evenly with the sauce. Finish with a drizzle of sesame oil, give it a quick toss, and that's it, we're done. Wow, this beef and broccoli stir-fry looks amazing. Tender beef with crisp broccoli, perfectly cooked and full of flavor. A simple, budget-friendly dinner that's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this delicious cheat meal today. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family, and let me know what you think in the comments.